why I know this was all designed, because they know human nature. Why? Tell them that is human nature. They know us.
That part. I always think about Candy's aunt when she said, Todd, that was a setup that Todd created. Sorry, Candy, I had to throw that one in there. I'm sorry, girl, but that's how the government's the same way.
They are. And we fall for it every single
time.
Every time.
Do you guys feel like African Americans are more scrutinized than other races? Deborah, since you brought it, you talked about it. Do you think we're scrutinized?
Oh my goodness, yes. For the last 500 years, we have been on these American lands. Yes, and yes.
Yep, got them. They're like,
got them again.
They always shine the light on us. If it's negative, we are getting that light shine. A white person can do the same exact crime that we do, and it will just look worse on our end. Worse on our end because we did it. It's almost as if on a higher level, they put Black people on a moral higher level than because they are expected to rob, rape, and steal and kill and do all that other good stuff. But when we do it, they're like, how dare you, and it's just